Hi everyone, I'm Thomas R. I'm a ULA for W200 and this is a tutorial for Screencast-O-Matic. Uh, what Screencast-O-Matic basically does is it can record your screen and your webcam and you can combine them. Here is the home page. I accessed it using my Gmail account and it's a free recorder up to 15 minutes. Some limitations of that is you cannot record your computer's audio, but you can record narration over that audio. So it's very simple to use. You probably could see teachers using this in a variety of ways. For example, the most prominent one that comes to mind is PowerPoint, right? Recording a PowerPoint and then having your students watch said PowerPoint. Uh, it's kind of ironic though that I'm using QuickTime on my Mac to record my screen and narration instead of Screencast-O, just because I have to show you how it works, right? So it's very simple. Right here on your sidebar, you have your videos, your images, which you can use capture by using this, and videos you capture by clicking this, right? Folders is where you can organize and you can store it. You can showcase in your channels, and if you delete any, it goes straight to the trash, right? So here's what we're gonna do simply. We're gonna click the record here to launch recorder. You're gonna have to download this, and it doesn't take too long. But once it's downloaded, when you click this, you'll have a box, right? And this box, basically, when you drag it, it will capture that portion of the screen. So it's going to capture all this part of the screen, but not this part of the screen, right? And you can record your screen. You can record your webcam. You'll have to select your webcam. See, so it selected the webcam, and then we're just going to hit cancel, right? But what I really like about Screencast-O is you can put your face in the video as you record it. So your max time will be 15 minutes. You can change the size according, and obviously you can see my narration right here, but it won't record computer audio like I said. So we're just going to click both here. See how I can drag this around. So see, this is where my webcam will show up. I'm going to, and then to start, you just simply hit record. Gives you a little countdown. All right, see, so this is my recording, right? So you can see that my webcam will be in the bottom right-hand corner here. And simply, I'm going to show you an example of this. I pulled up one of my resources that I've created for W200. If it'll pull up here. Let it load for a minute. All right, awesome. So here are my my recent ones. Don't look too far into it. These are just classes that I'm taking. But GPS Maps and Cars was a teaching resource that I made for W200 last year, and I actually taught at Lakeview Elementary. So basically, what I would do if I was remotely learning, or if it was an asynchronous classroom, I would record my lecture, right? So we're gonna let it load. So here I am. I can hit slideshow here, and we'll play this from the start, and then it'll capture all this right here. See, I have my standards. I can go through my standards. Students will be able to Tesla, self-driving cars, how do GPS works, coding, example code, maps and grid systems, maps and grid systems and movement. And then my little activity buddies world. I really like that. But like, see how you can record a lecture or some type of activity that involves you recording your screen and showing students what to do or some ways to use it, right? And this can be used as a tutorial service, as a lecture service. Like, it won't show you the sound, obviously, uh, because of limitations without upgrading it, right? Always use free software if you can find it. Uh, but see, this guy, he used Screencast-O-Matic for states of matter tags for grades K to 12. This was a PE teacher who did this. I'm gonna leave this in the description so you'll be able to watch it. Uh, but Screencast-O, very simple to use. If I want to end it, I can just hit the pause button right here, and I hit done. It's very simple. I can save it, I can upload, I can quick share it. If I really want to get a link to share it, and then I can edit the video. So let's go into the editor just for a little bit so I can show you how it works. See, it opens up Screencast-O-Matic. Right, just you don't have to upgrade it. But see, it'll upload it. I can add music. I can add closed captioning. And then after I'm done, I can upload it to YouTube. I can upload to Screencast-O-Matic, which is the site that I showed you there. Or I can save it as a video file. So for this, I'm going to upload it to Screencast-O-Matic. Right, so we'll publish it. And that'll take a little bit. So I'll come back when this is done. All right, so now our video has been published to Screencast-O-Matic. I can open the upload. I can copy the link. I can share it to Facebook, Twitter, my email, Microsoft Teams, or Google Classroom. So I'll just hit done there. We can go back to our Screencast-O-Matic, reload it. And there, see, our recording is now on Screencast-O-Matic. We can copy the link, we can share it, we can preview it. And I'll show you the video details. It's a 2-minute, 14-second video. And when I hit preview, all right, see, so this is my recording, right? See? So awesome, right? You can see that my webcam will We're going to pause that. Quiet me up for a little bit. But yeah, I can create folders where I can put different lectures. I can capture images. But it's a very simple tool to use, right? I can add it to my channels, or I can simply, let's delete that. We're going to delete it. Hit the 3 bars up here. Edit details, channels, move, share. We're going to hit delete. Oh, it's been deleted. Well, where do I go? If you accidentally delete a recording, you just go to your trash, restore it. No more trash. Your video's back. It's a very simple tool to use. I enjoy it so much. In the bottom of the description, you will see the States of Matter tag, which was created using Screencast-O-Matic. So thank you very much. I'm excited to see what all of you guys do.